Okay, this is me and my Citroen C4. This is what they call a cylinder, a slave cylinder, not the master, the slave. Okay, they told me to replace the whole part. This is a unit, right? I did it. There, 800 Rand. Okay, listen, let me open this and show you. They are real scallums, I tell you this. En dis hier waar ek nie kan oopkry nie. Okay, you open it. This is just like a dust cover in my world. So when you take it apart, you get this. You get this. This. And a spring. Okay, so that's it. But this is the only part that I could have replaced. There is the O-ring. Can you see it? There. Let me show you. There. What? 800 Rand. You must be joking. Please don't do the same thing. Just go and get this. Okay? Good.